Greetings humans, this is Mr. Haxor with another tutorial video to show you how you can hack your technology. Today we will be adding people in our Canvas course. This will allow other staff members to be able to observe our courses. This helps with cross-collaboration as well as skills coaching and for integration of MCLs and other administrators. Are you ready? Too bad. Let's go. You are looking at my Canvas dashboard. I have logged into my Canvas already and I am at the dashboard location. For the purposes of this video, we are going to use our test course labeled Do Not Use. You will click on your own course. Once you have selected your course and it has loaded, you will see the landing page. At the left, you will click the People tab. Once you have clicked People, you will be able to observe all of the current members of this course. Our third step is to add a person. Here, we will click the Plus People button. Once you have clicked the Plus People button, you will get this menu. You can add a person by their email address for the school district, by their login ID, or by their single sign-on ID. For this purpose, we are going to add an email address. Let's choose a staff member. I am going to use the Science MCL, Miss Scambalome, for this experiment. Her email address is as follows. Once you have entered their email address, you will now need to proceed to the sixth step, which is to select their role. You can do this by selecting the drop-down menu where it says Role. I am going to add this person as an observer so they can observe my class but are not permitted to make edits or communicate with students directly. You will click Observer and then you will click the Next button. Once you have gotten to this screen, it will confirm that you do indeed want to add these people. As you can see, this user is already in the course, but even if they are not, you will still reach the same screen. Once you click the Add Users button, these people will be successfully added to your course. To confirm that they are, we can go down to the bottom of the screen and look for their name, or search for their name, and they will appear. If you have any other questions, or if you would like to see any other tasks in Canvas or schoolwork demonstrated using Mr. Haxor as your tutor, please comment in the Facebook group listed below in the comments, or send us an email. Until then, we were reminding you, peace.